Hey you guys, welcome back to the Canning Nana. I just want to apologize for my absence for the last couple days and for not making it to the Stable Pantry collaboration yesterday, getting my video up. The video is coming. We had a double tragedy over the weekend. Well, one over the weekend, one a week ago. We had a couple deaths in the family, and we were just dealing with that, so obviously I could not be making a video doing what I needed to do. I know a lot of you guys have reached out to me. I've gotten cards and emails and things besides all of your entries for the giveaway coming. You have to excuse me, I'm having just getting over a really bad asthma attack. So I'm sorry if I'm not crying. I'm sorry if I sound kind of weird. I'm kind of wheezing right now. I just want to hurry up and get this on. This is the beef bone broth, and you'll see in the video I am straining this right now. I've got all of the meat right here ready to go for the beef soup and everything, but I know a lot of you guys caught on that I was kind of really upset at the end of making the beef broth video and showing you guys. I was right in the middle of filming when we heard some bad news, and I had to get that end part of that video done, otherwise it would have been an unfinished video, and it already had, I think, 15 minutes on it already. So instead of just tossing the video, I went on, I think it was a minute, and a lot of you guys heard my voice, that things weren't right. So thank you guys for knowing me that much. I really tried to hold it together. I really did. So just let me say that the videos are coming. We're doing really good. And things are going to be working as normal. Yeah. Everything's going to be going as normal. The gifts for the giveaway have not gone out yet, you guys, and today's Wednesday, and I apologize for that. I will get them out. I'm not going to promise by Friday, well, by Friday. I'm not going to promise tomorrow because we have some stuff to do tomorrow. But they will be out by Saturday. The Amazon gifts will hopefully be going out by this afternoon. I was not able to do that either. Things just... everything kind of turned a loop, and then we got some other news that we were dealing with. So yeah, it just was not a really good weekend. Hasn't been last month has not been great with my husband's injury and stuff. He's back at work. I'm doing okay. Still in pain, still having trouble with the wrists, but hey, I'm hanging in there, right? So the Thrive Life video, the May specials are coming. If you guys haven't gone on already, my customers, my consultants, go check it out. Really good May specials, and I'll be doing a separate video hopefully later on for that. But I have to get this stuff made and canned up. And there'll be 2 videos coming on that, in addition to the rest of this canning the beef broth video. So, with that being said, the Pantry Shelf Stable video collaboration will be, my video will be up later today. I've already got some stuff out for that, and we're going to be doing that for, I thought I was going to do it for lunch, but things just didn't work out that way. So, I'm trying to hang in there, you guys. So thank you for your patience and for sticking with me, and I really appreciate the cards and letters and emails and everything. My members have been texting me. I really appreciate you guys a lot, especially when we go through some bad stuff. You guys are always there and very, very supportive, so I really, really appreciate that. So a little bit more patience and a few videos will be up. I'll get that Pantry Club, Shelf Stable Pantry Club meal done and up, and I have some other videos coming up, and I will see you guys soon. Okay, so so just know God is good all the time, and He's carrying us through this. He's carrying us through everything that we've been through recently, and he's good. So, the word of the day today is going to be beautiful day, because every day is a blessing, and it's a beautiful day regardless of what we're going through. And thanks for watching, you guys. You'll see me on here really soon with the videos coming up. Thanks, and I'll see you later. Don't forget the word of the day.